How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So I'm a little tired this morning. We woke up around 4:30. We're actually in Conneaut, Pennsylvania right now. We're going to look at a new project car. It's a 1979 Camaro. It's got a 305 in it. Not sure what kind of shape it's in. Just found it on Marketplace and was looking at a few pictures and caught my eye, and we're going to go take a look at it and see what it's all about. But we're out here fueling up at the Sheets. Stopped at McDonald's, get some breakfast. And we're gonna fuel up, and we're actually gonna go fishing out here at Pontoon Lake, so maybe I'll get some footage of that before we go check out the car. Not sure if I'll be able to film much there. I'll try to get a few shots for you guys, but yeah, I'm excited to see what it's all about. Maybe we'll come home with a car today, we'll see. So just gonna finish fueling up here, and we'll catch you at the lake. Alright. That was a video.
Oh yeah.
There you go. First catch of the day. He's already up 2-1 on me.
Okay, go get another one.
Well, boys, we just finished up fishing. We're on our way to go look at the Camaro now. Not sure if I'm going to be able to get any shots of it or not. I'll try. I just don't want to make it awkward for the guy selling it. But yeah, I'll catch up with you after we leave. Not sure if we'll come home with it or not, but and then maybe we'll do some more fishing afterwards. Not sure here, but yeah, let's go check it out. I'm excited.
The guy that lived in the second house as you come in the street, he always thought, oh, I gotta go to French Creek for my vacation. I don't know if he can.
The funny thing about Woodcock, that was used to be a great place to fish. Over the winter, somehow one of the gates froze.
Well, guys, we just finished checking out the Camaro. I was able to film a few clips for you guys, but after speaking to the owner and really looking over the car, we noticed some bad things about it, but there were some good things about it as well. And after doing some negotiating, we're bringing home a Camaro, boys. Let's go. New project car for the channel, some new content for you guys. Just very excited. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. And first time for a Chevy on the channel. You know how we are with our Dodges, big Mopar guys here. But in the next video, I'll try to get some shots of us loading the car up and unloading it when we bring it home. And I'll go over all the details of the car and the story behind it and just do an overview of it. So stay tuned for that. And before I conclude the video, on the way going to look at the car after we left the fishing spot, we noticed a bunch of show cars going up and down the street, like muscle cars, hot rods, all that. And we looked it up, and there's actually a car show going on right now. So before we head home, we're gonna go check out the car show, and I'll try to film some clips of that for you guys. And then we'll start making the 2-hour-long voyage home. So let's go check out that car show real quick and conclude the video from there. Well, guys, I have to say that was one heck of a car show, and I was in for a huge surprise when we got there and I saw Horny Mike and Ryan from Counts Kustoms, the show on history counting cars. Not sure if any of you guys have watched that. I'm sure you're familiar with it, but it was super cool meeting those guys. I mean, I got to take a picture with them and got some autographs. That was really cool. I had no idea they were going to even be there, so I'm really glad we stopped. But yeah, there was a ton of cool cars there. Tons of stuff I haven't seen before and some really nice builds, like top tier quality stuff. I was amazed at some of the work that was done on these cars. They were beautiful builds. They absolutely stunning. But yeah, I'm just glad we stopped. It was a really nice venue right on the lake and tons of cool cars, tons of cool people. Really nice talking to some of you guys. Not sure if any of you watch the channel or not. But yeah, I think we're just going to conclude the video here. Make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out on any other future content, especially the next video when we bring home the Camaro. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And give this video a like if you enjoyed it. I know it was a little bit different and all over the place. We checked out a car, went fishing, went to a car show. So we were all over the place, but I had a heck of a day. It was really fun. Got to spend some time with my dad, and I feel like we both needed this trip. So did a lot, but it was relaxing at the same time. So leave your thoughts and comments down below. Let me know what you guys think, what you want to see in a future video here, and we'll just catch you in the next one when we bring home the new project. So I guess we'll just sign off with the usual before we start our 2-hour-long drive home, and I'll catch you in the next one. Always accelerate and don't look back. See you next time.